June 2 ang huli or June 2 ang balik nila sa Senado. Tapos yung ilang mga Senate judges doon, malamang wala na. Yung kalahati nun, malamang sa malamang, at least half of those na mawawala or half of those na mag-e-elect sa Senado ay mawawala. Tumagal kung ikukumpara sa inaasahan itong impeachment complaint na ito. At in all realities, akala ko dead on the water na itong usapang impeachment dahil miniliit ni Marcos si Sara by saying, in the grand scheme of things, she is unimportant noong November sa isang leaked text message.
Social media yesterday saying that Vice President Sara Duterte, in larger scheme of things, is unimportant, so don't file an impeachment complaint. Sabi galing daw po sa inyo yon. Can you confirm that, sir? Was there an effort on your part to stop the filing of impeachment?
Well, it was actually private communication, but nalik na, yes. Because that's really my opinion. This is not important. This does not make any difference to even one single Filipino life. So why waste time on it? What will happen to if somebody files an impeachment? It will tie down the House, it will tie down the Senate. It will just take up all that, and for not, for what? For nothing.
Something seconded by the Iglesia ni Cristo sect kung saan nag-organisa pa nga sila ng rally for peace. I saw a lot of videos of reporters asking the House Secretary General why he hasn't transmitted yung mga complaints sa mga progresibong grupo laban kay Duterte for impeachment, to which he has his ears apparently on the ground, alluding to over 1/3 ng tao sa Kongreso na impeachment complaint from the majority bloc. So, inantay niya ng inantay yun hanggang sa inabot ng last day.
Hindi naman kasi nga anytime 1/3 of the members can endorse it, can sign a complaint in my presence, and then diretso yun sa Senate. Hindi na dadaan sa Committee on Justice.